and today we're going to go, not on a vacation, but in the beach in Pointe Calumet, in the west side of Montreal, somewhere around us. I don't know the west side. And we're going to show you around in the beach. And we're going to have a lot of fun. I made it 1 hour to go there. So meet you guys there in the driveway. Later!
We're going to the beach!
Yes, to the beach.
We're going to the beach! Pointe Calumet, guys. Let's go check it out. Okay, let's go see the view. See you later!
So now we're in Pointe Calumet something.
Pointe Calumet.
Pointe Calumet.
Hands up, something. Hands down. Oh, go. Est-ce qu'on est prêt? J'ai dit, est-ce qu'on est prêt? Oui! Pointe Calumet, fait du bruit! Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Oh, go.
This is the best thing ever!
Coloca. Regarde ici. Les enfants disent merci Mr.Mousse.
Merci, Mr.Mousse!
Plus fort.
C'est fini.
Encore, regarde ici. En bas.
Mettez on.
Et on tourne encore. On crie. Plus fort. Et je vais choisir qui est la meilleure équipe de danse. Alors, deux par deux. Pour le meilleur duo de danse. Allez, on va voir les plus beaux pas de danse. Ok. On dit hey. Plus fort. Bonne applaudissement pour vous.
Let's go shower!
Hey! Nate! club on the other side. You could see, I don't know if you could see. There's a BC Beach Club. It's a very famous club where all the young people party. We're not that young, so we're staying here for a family beach day. With Nathan Kai. Almost the end of the day. Let's go walk around and see what they have here. Let's go. So, this is the beach. Nyla, how you like it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Bravo. Okay, so let's go. So there's some bench there that you could rent. And there's lifeguard. Come with me. There's lifeguard there. It's a small beach. And then there's the stage there where there's a mousse, bubble mousse. And there's another door there. So would you recommend people to come here? Yeah?
For sure. Because did you know that there's a mousse, like you do the mousse and then after there's an activity over there.
It's almost like day camp, no?
Yeah, you could do soccer, you could do ballon chasseur, you could play volleyball.
Marco Polo.
Marco Polo in the water, you could play bulldog in the water. You could do any stuff. Oh yeah, and plus they give you free Mr. Freeze.
Yes, that's the best part. Okay. Let's go. Let's go home now.
Yeah, hey, can I go?
What's that? Oh, it's...
Oh no.
Yeah, it's hiding.
Video. Hope you guys like our video as much as we love Mr.Mousse. So much fun, and definitely so go and check it out. You will enjoy it. Totally worth it. Love it. And you know it. Please like and subscribe and give us a big thumbs up if you enjoy our video. Smash the bell icon for notification so you will not miss any video from us, because we have so much more videos to share with you all. Thank you for watching, and remember, kindness is power! Do watch our other videos and laugh your head out. Ha ha ha! And leave a comment below if you want us to do something else or anything crazy. Not too crazy, but yeah, anything fun and kid-friendly challenge. Thank you, my kindness people. We love you all!